When you think about the best foldable phones, Samsung is usually the first name that pops up, but lately, the competition is catching up fast. Devices like the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the Huawei Mate X series, despite not making it to the US, are raising the bar. It's clear that Samsung needs to step it up if it wants to keep its crown as the foldable king. Don't get me wrong, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is solid, but it feels more like an upgrade than a game changer. Sure, there are some nice updates like AI features, improved durability, and more, but it still feels like there's room for something bigger. Samsung's been nailing the basics, but their rivals are getting bolder. Now with the Fold 7 on the horizon, it's time for Samsung to show us something truly next level. Here's the thing, don't get too excited just yet, because there's a twist I didn't see coming. Samsung has worked hard over the years to slim down the thickness of its foldables, but the Z Fold 6 is still the chunkiest foldable released in 2024. Leakers have confirmed that the Z Fold 7 will have the same display sizes as the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, meaning an 8-inch main display and a 6.5-inch cover display. But the good news? We're looking at a better camera, a less noticeable crease, more RAM, and most importantly, a much sleeker design for the Z Fold 7. It's going to be a real game changer, but here's the twist. That slimmer design might mean something big is missing. Word on the street is that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could ditch the S Pen digitizer. That means no more built-in stylus support, which might be a huge shift for anyone who loves the pen experience. A couple of leaks from trusted sources, Jukan Wasrif and The Alec, seem to back this up, saying there's a solid chance that the Z Fold 7 will launch without the digitizer. If that's true, looks like the S Pen would need to be charged separately from the phone. We've kinda seen this coming, especially after Samsung dropped the digitizer in last year's limited edition Z Fold Special Edition in Korea. No digitizer meant no S Pen with that phone, so if they follow that trend with the Z Fold 7, we might have to find a whole new way to carry around and charge the S Pen. Samsung's got big plans for its foldable lineup this year. At least 4 new foldable phones are rumored to drop. Some of them might even feature Qualcomm's freshly revealed Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, but there's a twist. Qualcomm quietly launched a stripped-down version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and it's already generating buzz. So, what's the deal with this 7-core Snapdragon 8 Elite? It's basically the same as the regular version, but with one less CPU core. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to rock this new variant. The change might help address those pesky overheating concerns that have popped up with the new architecture and Qualcomm's custom Oryon CPU. Tech guru Michel Rahman pointed out that dropping one core could help with heat management. The 7-core chip still uses TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process, so it's just as advanced as its beefwire sibling. Performance-wise, you might notice a tiny dip, about 2% lower on Antutu and 7% less in Geekbench's multi-core scores. But hey, if it means cooler temps, that trade-off might be worth it. I'm excited to see those bigger screens in action. So, what about you? Are you hyped for Samsung's upcoming foldables? Drop a comment below and let me know. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.